There it goes.
Oh my
Shh.
God. It's getting closer. For sure. Oh my God. It definitely is getting closer.
That is so cool.
Oh my God, this is amazing.
Oh my God. Oh.
Oh my God, that was almost seconds.
How cool is this? Oh my God. That was almost like a flash.
That was almost like right here.
I know. I feel like the next one's Big Daddy's coming.
All right, should we move down here to the other door?
Yeah, let's move down. Quick. Keep the cameras up.
Yep, no rolling.
All right, yeah, because I'm going to point it right out here. Like out that way.
Yeah.
Because it's dark.
All right, there's the basketball court.
And it's starting to change over to snow again.
Oh, you're right. Look at it in the light.
It is. It's starting to change back over to snow. It's coming down, not as rainy.
This is so awesome. This would be, we're standing underneath Crevcore.
Yeah, under Crevcore. There you go.
Yeah, that's really close. That's way closer than it was before. Oh my God. Listen to it echo off the mountains.
That happened probably less than a second after the flash, so it's at least a mile away.
You mean at most?
At most, it's a mile.
At most a mile.
A mile away, so I'm pretty sure it's still coming. Because we are facing south right now. The camera
right
is
now we are
facing south.
south.
And that's where all the precipitation is coming from. So obviously the storm would be coming from the south. And we probably got about 4 or 5, maybe 6 inches already. And
With this storm alone.
with this storm alone, and it was starting around between 5 and 6. And it is currently almost,
All right.
what,
Well,
10?
there's a flash.
Oh, there's a flash.
Another flash. Oh, there's the thunder. Sounds like it's coming off in that direction right there. At first glance. Oh.
This, people, is something that only happens very rarely. This does not happen
On a daily basis.
on a daily basis with
At all.
snowstorms. So this is a very special treat we're getting from Mother Nature.
Oh yeah, look at it. It's definitely snow now.
Oh yeah, it's definitely coming back as snow.
Definitely deleted the first video.
Whoa, they...
Oh my God, I missed it. That was instantaneous.
Oh my gosh. That... Oh.
All right, right there, we're catching the thunder of a really big flash, and that one was just seconds long.
That was not even a second. That was right after. It's obvious. It's like right over us right now. This is pretty darn awesome.
Yes, and it is February
5th,
5th,
February 5th, 2011.
2011 at Linden State College,
Linden
and
State
we are
College.
standing underneath
An
an
awning
type thing. Well, it's kind of
attached to the building.
attached to
Yeah, attached to the building.
the Residence Hall Crevcore. It is snowing right now. We are in the middle of a winter storm warning. And we are receiving thundersnow. It was sleeting earlier, and now it's snowing
Again.
again. It was snowing, then sleeting. Then
Very
it's
heavily.
snowing.
I mean,
Oh, big flash right there.
big flash. Yeah.
Big thunder. Useful information.
It is useful. Well, I mean, the just.
Whoa. Oh my god.
What was that?
Oh my god. Did you hear that initial crack?
Oh my.
Oh my god. I think that was right above us.
I think that hit the building.
That might have hit the building.
That might have hit the building because it just like cracked.
Something cracked.
Something cracked. We don't know. If,
That
oh.
was a car horn too.
And that was a car horn as well. I don't. Oh my god. Wait, can lightning do? I don't know.
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Oh my god. I feel unsafe now.
No, we're safe. We're kind of.
We're
As
semi-safe.
long as we don't, it doesn't struck that much closer. Right. It's like you're not gonna believe this.
No, I'm pretty sure you cannot get struck. Whoa.
There's a flash.
Well, there's.
Looks like a ball of light.
Oh, there's a little one.
It's definitely moving off towards the east.
Definitely.
Shall we move out that way and go out to the other side where we were standing before? You
Sure.
might get a better view off to the east.
All right, we're going through. Oh, yeah, it's still.
Whoa!
It's
still
sleet
coming down
flash.
pretty hard.
snow.
Oh my
Yeah.
God.
So we were facing the east right now.
Holy crap. It's hard to see.
Yeah, it kind of
No,
is.
it's so hard.
Ooh. Just in case. Yeah. Oh my God! Look, you can see it
I know,
across
you
the
can see it.
lens. Yeah, that's how hard it's coming down.